Today, we're putting our bags to the drop test to show you how tough they are. We filled 10 BIB bags with 20 liters of water each. We'll be dropping them from two heights, 0.8 meters and 1.2 meters. Let's see how they hold up. First up, the 0.8 meters drop. Let's do this. That's one. Now, let's check for any damage. No damage at all. Let's repeat this for the other bags. Now we are testing the last bag. For each bag, we will drop 3 times, ensure the effectiveness of the test. 0.8 meter drop challenge, 10 bags, 0 damage. Now, onto the 1.2 meter drop. This will really test their limits. Still no signs of damage. Let's keep going. After testing all 10 bags from both heights, none of them have broken or leaked. That's right, 100% success. GreenPak provides BIB bagging film. Durability you can rely on. Quality you can trust. Visit our website to learn more.